If you're over 50 and you're waking up feeling drained, with zero morning erections, your body is screaming a warning at you that most men completely ignore until it's too late. What I'm about to reveal will shock you because the solution isn't what the medical establishment wants you to believe. There's a specific compound that your body stops producing efficiently after age 50, and without it, your testosterone plummets, your energy crashes, and your sexual function deteriorates rapidly. But here's the disturbing truth they don't want you to know. This isn't just about getting older. It's about a critical biological process that happens during sleep. And 97% of men over 50 are unknowingly sabotaging it every single night. The compound I'm talking about can be restored with something so simple you probably have it in your kitchen right now, but the timing of when you take it is absolutely crucial. Get this wrong, and you'll continue waking up exhausted with zero drive. Get it right, and within days you'll experience the kind of morning energy and rock-hard erections you thought were gone forever. Let me explain exactly what's happening inside your body that's causing this devastating decline. After age 50, your body's production of nitric oxide drops by nearly 50%. Nitric oxide is the master molecule responsible for blood vessel dilation, which directly affects everything from your energy levels to your ability to achieve and maintain erections. During deep sleep, your body naturally produces surges of growth hormone and testosterone, but only if your nitric oxide levels are sufficient to support optimal blood flow to all your organs, including your reproductive system. Here's where it gets critical. Your body also produces something called endothelial nitric oxide synthase, or ENOS, primarily during the overnight fasting period. This enzyme is responsible for converting L-arginine into nitric oxide, but after 50, this conversion process becomes severely compromised. Without adequate nitric oxide production during sleep, your blood vessels remain constricted, limiting oxygen and nutrient delivery to your cells. This is why you wake up feeling exhausted instead of refreshed, and why morning erections become increasingly rare. The compound that can reverse this process is L-citrulline, and it works through a fascinating biological pathway. Unlike L-arginine, which gets broken down by the enzyme arginase before it can be fully utilized, L-citrulline bypasses this degradation process entirely. When you consume L-citrulline before bed, it travels directly to your kidneys, where it's converted to L-arginine in a sustained, controlled manner throughout the night. This provides your body with a steady supply of the raw materials needed to produce nitric oxide during those crucial overnight hours. But here's the part that makes this so powerful for men over 50. L-citrulline also stimulates the production of ornithine, which directly supports growth hormone release during deep sleep phases. Growth hormone is essential for cellular repair, muscle recovery, and maintaining healthy testosterone levels. When you optimize this process by taking L-citrulline before bed, you're essentially restoring your body's natural overnight repair and rejuvenation mechanisms. The timing is absolutely critical because your body's circadian rhythm determines when these repair processes occur. Taking L-citrulline 30 minutes before bed ensures peak absorption during the first phase of deep sleep, which typically occurs 60 to 90 minutes after you fall asleep. This is when your body naturally produces the highest concentrations of growth hormone and begins the testosterone synthesis process that should result in morning erections. Watermelon extract is one of the richest natural sources of L-citrulline, containing approximately 1.13 grams per cup. However, to achieve therapeutic levels, you'd need to consume nearly 3 pounds of watermelon, which is impractical and would disrupt your sleep with bathroom trips. This is why concentrated L-citrulline supplementation, specifically in doses between 3 to 6 grams, has become the preferred method for men seeking to restore their overnight recovery processes. The research supporting this approach is compelling. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men taking L-citrulline experienced significant improvements in erection hardness scores within 30 days. Another study in the American Journal of Cardiology demonstrated that L-citrulline supplementation improved endothelial function and reduced arterial stiffness, both crucial factors for maintaining healthy blood flow as we age. What makes this even more powerful is the synergistic effect with your body's natural melatonin production. Melatonin isn't just a sleep hormone, it's also a powerful antioxidant that protects nitric oxide from oxidative damage. When you optimize your sleep environment and timing with L-citrulline supplementation, you create the perfect conditions for maximum nitric oxide preservation throughout the night. The results most men experience within the first week include waking up with noticeably more energy, improved mental clarity, and the return of spontaneous morning erections. By the second week, many report increased exercise performance and improved recovery from physical activity. By the third week, the cumulative effects of improved overnight recovery begin manifesting as better mood, increased libido, and enhanced overall vitality. However, there are critical factors that can sabotage these results. Alcohol consumption within 3 hours of bedtime severely impairs growth hormone production and disrupts the nitric oxide synthesis process. High sugar intake before bed causes insulin spikes that interfere with overnight fat burning and growth hormone release. Even seemingly innocent habits like late-night screen time can disrupt melatonin production, reducing the antioxidant protection your newly produced nitric oxide needs to remain effective. The most effective protocol involves taking 3 to 6 grams of L-citrulline powder mixed with water 30 minutes before bed, ensuring your bedroom is completely dark and cool, and avoiding all food for at least 2 hours prior to bedtime. Some men enhance the effect by adding 200 milligrams of magnesium glycinate, which supports muscle relaxation and deeper sleep phases. So there you have it. The compound your body desperately needs after 50 is L-citrulline, taken specifically before bed to restore your overnight nitric oxide production, growth hormone release, and testosterone synthesis. This isn't about expensive treatments or complicated protocols. It's about understanding exactly what your body needs to function optimally and providing it at precisely the right time. Within days, you'll experience the energy and sexual vitality you thought were permanently lost to aging simply by supporting your body's natural overnight recovery processes.